Okay, so I'm just sharing this with you because I learned something really interesting today. And it's the kind of stuff that I think about, but I don't really share with people because it's like organizational things, and it's very like contextual, and it's just dealing with files and folders and sifting and having to compress, move, keep track of all this stuff. You come into some issues at times, and I found a really great program that's called IntelliJ. Now, right now, let me take off the fish lens. So right now you see this as just an idea, right? It says .idea. But just a minute ago, when I looked at it, and I'm in File Explorer in Windows, the actual file belongs to the icon that you see above here. This little icon there, right? So I'm like, what is this? I kind of stumbled across it. So when I click on it, when I open this, it turns into an IntelliJ file. And we're talking kind of about virtual machines here, but what is this folder and how did it get there and why is it like that? So I'm going to change the properties. It's an idea, right? It's a folder. But it used to have the icon something else. So if I close a folder and I find that icon on my desktop, which was somewhere, where it is right now, I don't know. It's an icon. No, it's not. Where is it now? Okay. It is in... No. I don't know now. I'm confused. I'm confusing you. Because I'm confused. Because just a second ago, it was turned into something else. Okay. Well, let me try to track back to where I was. There it is. Okay. So there's the icon. So if I click on it, now look at it. So this is the same folder we just looked at ago that had a folder. Now when I click on it again, there's a shortcut for it. And when I click on it, it turned into not IntelliJ, but the actual, I'm sorry, the lens is really crappy on this tablet. But it turned into a VirtualBox manager icon. But where that shortcut leads to, this is like kind of complicated, but that file is in one of my disks here on the side, one of these hard drives. So if I click on there, I know that because I just had IntelliJ open, the path is here, and then there's the X. But now that folder disappeared. So where's that folder? The one that says idea. I'm going to try to find it right now on my desktop. Okay, so now that file folder is over here on my desktop now. So if I open it, right? Now there it is. Okay, so you see before it had the red X. But I don't know if you saw that actually initially. So what is this? I'm trying to find my IntelliJ project. So if I open it, technically, because it's the icon is IntelliJ, there it is. Okay, so it's a workspace XML basically. But what I had done is turn this workspace into a file manager for all of my virtual machines. And for anybody that knows about the virtual machines, you know, it's a bunch of work. And here's basically what they look like in VirtualBox. But what happened was, I had only clicked on one of these virtual machines. I had 3 more just like 5 minutes ago. And then when I went into my folder and clicked an IntelliJ file, that kind of like, I think it somehow it didn't want me to touch that file because it's messing up the hierarchy of the IntelliJ system. Now the way IntelliJ works is a huge part of programming, and it's used for a lot of things, but I can't really explain how because I'm just learning about it. So now look at this. Do you see how do you see that? Do you see how I took that off of there? Now that is, I don't know what language that is, but I've never been able to take that off like that. So that's just that, I don't know what language that is. I didn't mean to do that. Oh darn it, now I messed up the order of this. Oh shit. No, I don't want to do that. But I mainly wanted to show you the IntelliJ, but I'm going to find the project, and when I can find the project, we'll get back.